Hey, to add Google account into your POCO X6, first you will have to go to the settings. Now you will have to keep scrolling until you locate Accounts and Sync. Now from here, click to add account and select Google account. Now just wait for the checking information, and from here input email address of your account. And after this, we'll have to input password into our account. You can also create account by clicking just right here, then tap next, and from here input the password into your account. And that's what I'm gonna do right now out of the screen. And when you do this, you can actually find this information, who will be using this device, so you can set it for your child or for yourself. Click next. From here you can turn on contact sync, so you can also turn on the backup. Click I agree. And now you will have to wait. Now from here, accept this, and that's finished. So right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you on the next one.